Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our chemistry lesson 1 for chemistry quarter 2 for grade 11 general science is about the historical background, the life and scientific contributions of Louis Pasteur. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to A. Describe the life and background of Louis Pasteur and his motivations as a scientist. Letter B. Explain his major scientific contributions in chemistry and biology. Letter C. Discuss the impact of Pasteur discoveries on medicine, public health, and industry. Letter D. Analyze how Pasteur's work exemplifies the application of science to solve real-world problems. Letter E. Appreciate the importance of interdisciplinary approaches in advancing scientific knowledge. Number 1. Early life and education. Louis Pasteur was born on December 27, 1822, in Dole, France. He grew up in a modest family. His father was a tanner. He was not initially considered an outstanding student, but developed a strong interest in science, particularly chemistry. He studied at the École Normale Supérieure in Paris, where he earned his doctorate in 1847. Takeaway: Pasteur, Pasteur's early struggles show that perseverance and curiosity are essential qualities of a scientist. Number 2. Scientific work, chemistry. Pasteur's Pasteur first worked on crystallography, studying tartaric acid crystals. He discovered that molecules could exist in two mirror image forms. We call it chirality, laying the foundation for stereochemistry. This contribution was vital in both chemistry and biology as molecular structure influences biochemical processes. The number 3, germ theory of disease. Before Pasteur, people believed in a spontaneous generation, that life could arise from non-living thing. non-living matter. Through careful experiments, the swan neck flask experiment, Pasteur proved that microorganisms come from the other microorganisms and do not spontaneously appear. This became the basis of the germ theory of disease, which states that specific microbes cause specific diseases. The impact changed the course of medicine and biology, shifting focus to microbes as disease causing agents. Number 4, pasteurization. Pasteur developed the process now known as pasteurization, heating liquids like milk and wine to a certain temperature to kill harmful microbes without changing the quality. This discovery had immediate industrial and public health benefits, reducing spoilage and disease transmission. Number 5, vaccines and immunology. Pasteur studied animal diseases like anthrax and chicken cholera. By using weakened or killed microbes, he demonstrated that animals could be protected from disease. His most famous success was the development of the rabies vaccine in 1885, which saved the life of a young boy, Joseph Meister. Legacy. Pasteur became known as the father of immunology. His work paved the way for vaccines against many diseases. Number 6, contributions to public health and industry. His discoveries influence medicine. We have vaccination, antiseptic techniques, infectious disease control. In the food industry, preservation through pasteurization. In agriculture, there is a control of livestock diseases like anthrax. And in scientific method, the emphasis on careful experimentation. Number 7, legal and legacy and recognition. Pasteur founded the Pasteur Institute in Paris in 1887, a center for research in microbiology and infectious diseases. He showed how chemistry and biology could be combined to solve practical problems. His work continues to influence medical and biological sciences today. Question number 1. How did Pasteur's early research in chemistry contribute to his discoveries in biology? Answer. Louis Pasteur's early career began in chemistry, where he studied crystals and fermentation processes. His careful experiments in chemistry directly influenced his discoveries in biology and medicine. And here's how. Letter A, study of crystals. We call it molecular asymmetry. Pasteur discovered that crystals of tartaric acid could exist in two forms that were images of each other, what we now call optical isomers. This showed him that molecules could affect living processes differently depending on their structure. This concept of molecular asymmetry gave him a chemical foundation to understand how microorganisms act differently in biological systems. Letter B. Fermentation and microorganisms. While studying why wine and beer sometimes spoiled, Pasteur discovered that fermentation was not just a chemical reaction, but a biological process caused by living microorganisms. This was revolutionary because it challenged the belief that fermentation was purely chemical or spontaneous. His chemistry background helped him analyze the role of yeast and bacteria in converting sugar into alcohol and other substances. Letter C. Linked to germ theory. From his chemistry-based studies of fermentation, Pasteur concluded that microorganisms are responsible for certain chemical changes. This might help him later argue that microorganisms also cause diseases in humans and animals. His chemical experiments with fermentation gave him the scientific method he applied to biology, leading to the germ theory of disease. Letter D. Practical applications. Pasteur's chemistry training allowed him to develop techniques like pasteurization, which prevented wine, beer, and milk from spoiling. This chemical control of microbial growth later expanded to medical practices such as sterilization and vaccination. Louis Pasteur's foundation in chemistry, especially his studies of molecular asymmetry and fermentation, helped him realize that tiny living organisms, which are called the microbes, drive biological processes. This connection between chemistry and biology paved the way for his germ theory, which transformed medicine, public health, and microbiology. Number two question. Why was the germ theory of disease considered revolutionary during his time? The germ theory of disease, proposed by Louis Pasteur, was revolutionary because it challenged the long-standing belief that diseases were caused by miasma, which means bad air, supernatural forces, or imbalances in the body's fluids, the humors. Instead, Pasteur's experiments showed that microscopic germs such as bacteria were the true cause of many diseases. During this time, mid to late 1800s, A. It changed medical practice. Doctors began to realize the importance of sterilization, sanitation, and proper hygiene to prevent infections. Letter B. It provided scientific proof. Pasteur demonstrated through experiments like the Swan Neck Plus experiment that microorganisms do not spontaneously generate but come from existing ones. We will have the next part of this chem lesson 1.